Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive into, well, life itself, biology. We want to kind of unpack its core ideas, see how it connects to everything, and really explore why it's so personal for you.
It really is. I mean, biology is just fundamental, isn't it, for understanding the world and our place in it. It's this huge field, but unified, by some core principles,
Right.
from the tiniest molecules right up to the whole planet. And it acts like this amazing hub connecting sciences. Plus, its impact on society.
Mm-hmm.
It's massive.
Okay, so where's the starting point? To really get a grip on life at its most basic level,
Yeah.
what's that first big idea?
It has to be the cell.
Yeah.
Now, the cell theory, that's the bedrock. It kind of starts back in, 1665. Robert Hooke.
Hook, right, with the cork.
Exactly. He looked at cork under a microscope, saw these little empty boxes, call them cells, like little rooms.
Because they look like monk cells.
That's the idea, yeah. But they were just the empty walls.
Yeah.
Then you had Anton van Leeuwenhoek. He saw the living stuff.
The animal. Mm-hmm. Tiny little things swimming around in pond water. Mind-blowing for the time. Invisible life. Everywhere.
Okay, so Hooke saw the structure, Leeuwenhoek saw the life. But that wasn't the full theory yet, was it? There was a missing piece.
There was a really crucial piece. Rudolf Virchow, he added the principle, omnis cellula e cellula.
Which means,
All cells arise only from pre-existing cells. That was, well, revolutionary philosophically.
oh no.
It killed off that old idea of spontaneous generation. Life just popping up out of nowhere.
Like mice from grain or maggots from meat.
Right. Virchow established this continuous line of life. Cell from cell from cell, unbroken. And that idea of continuity is, well, it's everything for understanding change, heredity, evolution.
Okay, so the cell is the unit. But how does all life change and become so diverse? That's the next big story, isn't it?
That's the grand narrative, evolution. And Charles Darwin, of course, gave us the key mechanism, natural selection.
Right. Survival of the fittest, basically. Well, yes and no. It's more about traits that are advantageous in a particular environment, making an organism more likely to survive and reproduce. That's the critical part, passing those traits on.
So it's constantly shaping things, not just like ancient history.
Not at all. It explains antibiotic resistance in bacteria today, pesticide resistance in insects. It's happening right now.
Okay, but Darwin's idea, it wasn't the whole picture initially, right? Genetics came later.
Exactly. The big step forward was integrating Darwin's natural selection with genetics, understanding how traits are passed down. That's the modern synthesis.
Ah,
It showed that small changes in genes accumulating over generations drive that large-scale evolution. It's like Theodosius Dozansky famously said.
nothing in biology makes sense except in the light of evolution.
That's the one. It's the unifying principle. It's not just looking back. It helps us predict what might happen next.
So evolution explains the change. But you mentioned earlier, biology isn't an island. It connects everywhere.
Absolutely. It's the ultimate connector. Obvious links like biochemistry, the chemistry of life.
Sure.
But the really dynamic frontier right now, it's computation.
You mean like bioinformatics, handling all that data.
Precisely. The sheer scale. Think about the human genome. 3 billion letters of code. You just can't analyze that manually.
No way.
So you need sophisticated algorithms, computational biology, bioinformatics. These fields are driving discovery. Like using AI, AlphaFold is a great example.
What does that do?
It predicts the 3D shape of proteins. Before, figuring that out could take years in a lab, cost millions. Now AI can often do it in minutes.
Wow. So that speeds everything up. Drug design.
Dramatically. It opens up research that was just impossible before. It's transforming how we understand the molecules of life.
And that impact, it goes way beyond the lab, doesn't it? It changes lives. Medicine, for instance.
Oh, hugely. I mean, antibiotics, vaccines, they've saved countless lives.
Yeah.
But now we're moving towards personalized medicine.
Tailoring treatments to your genes, is that real now or still future tech?
It's happening. We're increasingly using genetic information to choose the best drugs, the right doses, predict side effects.
Yeah.
Making medicine more effective and safer for use specifically.
That's incredible. And what about the bigger picture? The planet?
Biology is critical there too. Environmental stewardship relies on it. Conservation biology uses ecology to protect species and habitats.
Right.
And biotechnology offers solutions. Think bioremediation using microbes to clean up oil spills, or developing biofuels as renewable energy sources. Biology provides tools to tackle huge environmental challenges.
So, okay, we've covered a lot. From the cell through evolution, the connections to other sciences like computation, and the impact on, well, everything from your health to the planets.
It's a vast field. And looking ahead, wow, we have tools like CRISPR gene editing, We have synthetic biology, where people are designing new biological parts, devices, systems.
Designing life, almost.
Sort of, yeah. And this power brings up some really profound questions, doesn't it? For you, for all of us.
Well, how do we navigate the ethics? The legal side, the social implications? Think about equitable access. Who gets the benefit from these powerful new gene therapies or diagnostics? And maybe even more fundamentally, how do these abilities change our definition of what it even means to be human? That's something to really think about.